Hey everyone, my name is John Benson. I am one of the partners here at Penglase Benson, one of the founding members, along with my partner Craig Penglase. And we've started the firm back in 2005. And so we thought we've been posting a lot of videos. Excuse me, hard to talk this morning. And we thought it would be really important to kind of let you know why we do what we do and why we've created this channel in the first place. So that when you're orienting yourself around our channel and looking at the various videos we have for criminal law and personal injury law and family law and estate planning and probate, you kind of understand why we do what we do. The bottom line is we are very public oriented. We like to serve our public. My partner, Craig Penglase, his father was a police chief in a local township. He grew up doing public service himself with his dad. He went on to become a assistant district attorney here in Bucks County. I did the same thing. I lived here in Bucks County. I ended up going to law school, coming back to the area, working in the district attorney's office as well. So serving the public that way. And then from there, we started this firm. And it was very important to us that people felt like they weren't just a number. We see a lot of people go to a local large law firm. And these local large law firms, they're good. They do a great job. But they are there to generate business. And they have created an assembly line because they have so much overhead, they have to crank the people through in order to make any type of money. And when you do that, you kind of become like a number. So we had a situation where we went to court one time. We saw someone that we knew. We were talking to them. And we said, hey, what are you doing here? And they said, hey, I hired this large law firm to help me because I thought, they looked like they could get the job done. And we said, okay, well, where's your lawyer? Oh, well, the lawyer couldn't make it because he was really busy. So he told me that I should come to the court and ask for a continuance, and then he'd be able to show up. And we looked around the room and we said, you realize that gentleman standing with a suit over there, they're part of that same law firm. There is a lawyer from that law firm here in this courtroom right now who should be helping you. And they said, oh, wow. They were being treated like a number. We've seen other people be turned away from these large law firms that you see on TV that are advertising for personal injury. And they'll come to us and we said, well, gee, this large firm was representing you before. Why are you coming to us? And they said, well, when the case got hard and they had to actually do something and try and present a difficult case that wasn't a slam dunk, they fired us. And they turned us loose and they said, good luck to you. They're being treated like a number. So we wanted to make sure that when people come to Penglase and Benson, they aren't treated like a number. They're treated as a person. They have problems, they have concerns, and we want to deal with them as a person and not as a file number. We want to look at their whole problem. And once we get that problem fixed, we know what the next step of their life is, even if they don't. For instance, people will get done a divorce and a typical attorney will finish the divorce and they'll thank them for being a customer and they send them home. But there's more to it after a divorce. You need a new estate plan. You need to maybe change your name. You need to change the name on your driver's license. You need to come up with a new financial plan because your old one was predicated on you being a couple. And so we want to help you with those things so that you have the best type of life possible. We want to use the law to improve your quality of life and your family's life. It is there to help you, not to hurt you. And we like to educate people as to what they can do with the law and how they can use the law to help them, their situation, and their family. Both Craig and I, we have taught extensively at colleges, at law schools, and so we have this education mentality about us. And so we like to tell people about the law and how you can use the law to help you, not hurt you. You shouldn't just wait around until something bad happens to you and then you seek the edge of the law. You can use the law to improve your quality of life if you just know how. And so we use a lot of that information in this video channel. We want to use this channel to kind of educate people as to how the law can help them, how they can help themselves with the law, what they can do to improve their life, their family's life. And so for those reasons, we've created this channel. And in the coming days and weeks, we're going to try and educate you a little bit more as to, what our mission is, what we're passionate about, and why we do the things we do. If you ever have any questions on this, please reach out to me. You can email me. The email is the letter J, Benson at Penglase, the word and Benson.com. So jbenson@penglaseandbenson.com. You can also check us out at www.penglasebenson.com. Hope this helps. Hope to see you soon. Take care.